Hi everyone, this is Rashmin Keshwani. Hope you all are doing well. Welcome to my channel R&R Reviews with Rashmin. Today I am going to share with you 13 reasons why one must read a book. Let's begin. First, any book that you read gives you rich vocabulary, phrases and idioms, so it refines your language much more than you can even think of. Second, it makes you wiser and smarter by introducing you to situations and circumstances that you might not have encountered before. Third, it tells you what is right and what is wrong before you actually having to make a mistake and realizing and facing its consequences. Fourth, it is a constant company. So whether you are traveling or whether you are at a house party or whether you are with someone you are not comfortable with, if you have a book, you can anytime take it out and start reading, and that will make you feel comfortable wherever you are. Fifth, there are many characters in the book and some of them might relate to the qualities that you know is there in some other person as well. So these qualities help you to understand how to deal with a particular person if you had them in your real life. Sixth, when you feel low, you can always divert your mind by opening a book and of course having a cup of coffee, and you are sure to feel great. It can be a funny book to uplift your mood. It can be a romantic book just to lighten your mood and a hectic day that you have had, or even if it is a sad book, all the emotions that are there inside you will come out as you read the book, and maybe if you might end up crying, it will help you in easing your pain. Yes, this is most important in my opinion. Seventh, the things that parents, siblings, friends, teachers cannot tell you, no textbook can tell you, such things you will find in a novel. Because not everything can be taught. Certain things you need to introduce yourself to. But not everything can be done and realize that okay, a trial and error will work. Certain things you need to know beforehand so that you don't fall flat on your face. And that's where books come to your rescue. Eighth, they give you ideas for your growth. Physical, mental, social, spiritual, every domain of your life is touched when you read a book. Ninth, it helps you to develop an opinion by thinking about it. How would you respond if you were a particular character in that story? Or how would you respond if that story was a real part of your life? What would you do? So, for example, if you are reading a story of some friends together and there is some situation mentioned which is very problematic. While reading the story, you will also think that how would I have reacted? Would my reaction be right in that situation? Or the way it is mentioned in the book, you would feel like this is a better way of reacting or responding to a situation than I would have done. I'm glad I read this book. 10th, good books inculcate values, ethics, principles, morals in our life. We may know of them, but in the diplomatic world, we might end up forgetting them or leaving them. And books remind us about them. They keep us grounded. They act as a reality check too sometimes. And with this, I would like to add that since childhood, we all have been loving stories. We love to listen to stories. A book is a treasure of stories. Any book you pick, there are so many stories in it that if you read a book once, you're sure to read another book, because you'll be so glued to the idea of reading the book itself. Okay. 11th. During our lowest, hardest and toughest days, when we cannot share our feelings to someone, when we feel that nobody might understand what we are feeling, and we want to, or maybe we are feeling low without any reason. Sometimes that as well we encounter. Books will come to you as a therapy. Just a half an hour or time that you spend with a book will make you feel much better than the time you might spend on any other activity, like say just swiping your phone. And of course, 12th, it is an eye-opener. How to deal with people in a professional setting, how to deal with people in your house, how to deal with people if you are married, or how to deal with people if you are in a relationship. All these things are not taught. You observe them in a particular setting in your real life, and then you learn, sometimes by committing a mistake or sometimes by observing someone else's mistake. But the more number of books you read, more such situations you encounter. And thus, like I said in point number 2, more wiser and smarter you become. More empathetic you become, because you might not know why a person is behaving in a particular way and why his particular act is annoying you so much. But if you read a book, there are times when it is also mentioned that a particular character behaved in a particular way because of so and so reason. And that thought remains in your mind, and you feel, okay, maybe this could be the reason why someone behaved like that, and I should not get as annoyed as I am right now. So that thought makes you more empathetic, more understanding, more open, and more friendly. And of course, last, you can relate to everyone. When you read books, irrespective of what category of books that you are reading, what age group of books you are reading, you will be able to relate to a child when you are talking to one. You will be able to relate to someone of your age too. And you will also be able to relate to someone elder than you. It may be your parent, it may be your boss, your senior at a workplace, or it may be anyone who you feel is like a mentor or a guide in your life. You can relate to everyone. Because in a particular book, there might be a person who's behaving too kiddish, there might be a person who's too mature, there might be someone who is like you, kiddish with certain people, mature with certain people. So you know how to relate to and how to talk to these different kinds of people. There are many more reasons why you can read a book, and I have come up with these 13 as of now. Please let me know what are your thoughts on why should someone read a book in the comment section below. I hope you liked this video, and let me know if you want me to make a video on any other topics of your choice. Thank you. Till then, take care. Bye.